overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello student, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Hope you people are fine and safe in this pandemic situation. So now I am going to start my class, and today my topic is percentage. First of all, we should know about percentage. Percentage is a method of expression of a number as a fraction of 100. So percentage symbol is like that, okay, and the word percent, it came from Latin word percentum, okay. So if I tell you 25 percentage, so how we will express it? Suppose you people know graph paper. In this graph paper, so many grids are there, and grids or squares are there. I will take it here and I will show it here. Suppose this is a one white page, okay, and in this white page I will draw 100 squares. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You people just think that these all squares are equal and same, because this is a freehand drawing, so it's not equal, I know that, but you just think that. So here are 100 squares or grid are here, and if I tell you 25 percentage cover area you should cover, so how we will express it? We should express it like that. First 10, then again 10, so already 20, then 5. So this is the way we can say here 25 per 100 grid are colored with like that. So this is the way we can express percentage, okay. So now I am going to show you how we will convert percentage to fraction, then decimal, and I will show it here, okay. Now I will show you convert 29% to fraction and 85% to fraction. So first one, 29% means 29 into 1 by 100. So we can write it 29 by 100 this way. Okay. So again 85% we should write down 85 by 100. So this is the way we can easily get our result. Convert to percent to fraction. Now we will do convert 47% to decimal. So how we will do that? So it will come, okay, 0.47. This is the way we can easily convert percentage to decimal. So now convert decimal to percentage. So first one is 0.3. 0.3 we can write down. Okay. So this is the way we can easily convert decimal to percentage. Our result will be 30%. So second one is 0.07. 7 by 100 into 100. So that is 7%. So this is the way we can get our result. So now we will convert 7 by 8 to percentage. How we will do that? By 8 we should divide it 0.64 4 then 0. So now we got 0.875. We should multiply it with 100. So our result will be 87.5%. So this is the way we can easily convert any fraction to percentage. Okay. So today I am going to end my class here. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all the notification in future. And thank you for watching my video.